This is our 1N, black. This is a level 1 neutral colour. It is our darkest colour. This is our 3N, black brown. This is a level 3 neutral colour. This is our 4GM 7G, warm mocha melt ombre. This is a level 4 with a gold mahogany undertone going into a level 7 gold undertone. This is our 4N midnight brown. This is a level 4 neutral colour. This is our 4N 8G warm coffee melt ombre. This is a level 4 neutral going into a level 8 gold ombre. This is our 5G brown. This is a level 5 with a slight gold reflect. This is our 5RV red berry. This is a level 5 with a vibrant red and violet. This is the 6CR rusty copper. So this is a level 6 copper red. This is the 6G chestnut. This is a level 6 with a slight gold tone. This is a 6G 8G mid brown. This is a level 6 gold with a level 8 gold highlight. This is our 6GC 9G warm copper beige ombre. This is a level 6 gold copper going into a level 9 gold ombre. This is our 6VG 8VG cool brown ombre. This is a level 6 violet gold going into a level 8 violet gold ombre. This is our 7AG cinnamon. This is a level 7 with an ash gold undertone. This is our 7AG 9N dark blonde. This is a level 7 ash gold with a level 9 highlight of a neutral undertone. This is our 7B 11G top deck ombre. This is a level 7 beige going into a level 11 gold ombre. This is our 7B 11NA top deck ombre. This is a level 7 beige going into a level 11 with a neutral ash undertone. This is our 7GC 9NM warm copper rose ombre. This is a level 7 gold copper going into a level 9 neutral mahogany as an undertone. This is our 7GV 9N honey ginger. This is a level 7 with a beautiful gold violet undertone and a level 9 neutral highlight. This is our 7NG 10NG light blonde. This is a level 7 neutral gold with a highlight of a level 10 neutral gold. This is our 7RI red. This is a level 7 with an intense red. This is our 8B 11VA cool soft beige ombre. This is a level 8 beige going into a level 11 violet ash ombre. This is our 8CG copper. This is a level 8 with a copper gold undertone. This is our 8VA light brown. This is a level 8 with a violet ash undertone. This is our 8VA 10B cookies and cream ombre. This is a level 8 violet ash going into a level 10 beige ombre. This is our 9B beige blonde. This is a level 9 with a beige undertone. This is our 9B, 11B, Cool Soft Blonde Ombre. This is a level 9 beige going into a level 11 beige ombre. This is our 9G, Golden Blonde. This is a level 9 with a golden undertone. This is our 9GA, 11NG, Vanilla Smoothie Sombre. This is a level 9 Golden Ash going into a level 11 Neutral Gold. It has a slight ombre, which is called a sombre. This is our 9NG Blonde. This is a level 9 with a neutral gold undertone. This is our 9NG 11B Sunshine Kiss Ombre. This is a level 9 neutral gold going into a level 11 beige ombre. This is our 10B Sandy Blonde. This is a level 10 with a beige undertone. This is our 11A Ice Blonde. This is a level 11 Ash. This is our 11AI White Blonde. This is a level 11 with an intense ash undertone. This is our 11AV Grey. This is a level 11 with an ash violet undertone. This is our 11G Platinum Blonde. This is a level 11 with a gold undertone. This is our 11NG Silver Blonde. This is a level 11 with a neutral gold undertone.